In today's dancehall and reggae news update for the 27th of July 2016, legendary iconic reggae artist Sizzla Kalonji US visa, travel document and work permit is reported to be reinstated after it was revoked in 2008. He can now perform in the US again. In part 2 of dancehall and reggae news update, international and dancehall artist Sean Paul Dethrones Drake as #1 on Billboard Hot 100 chart. This news was confirmed by Sizzla in an exclusive music news interview on Ari FM. Sizzla said big up to his fans, big up to all the people who supported him over the years. Bless up to his lawyers because they have done good work, and praises to Rastafari the Most High, saying that the work can now continue and he can now burn a fire on a bigger global scale. Since his visa was revoked in 2008, it has limited his career and presence in the international scene. Sizzla was forced to cancel tours and overseas appearances over the past 7 to 8 years. I am sure that this will be good news for Sizzla fans worldwide, as with great works come great rewards and great demands. Sizzla is expected to perform at the 32nd annual Reggae on the River, which is scheduled for August 4th to the 7th in California, USA. I am sure the tour dates will be extended as other promoters become aware of his availability. This is a very good look for Sizzla, but I am not going to lie, I am very surprised that after all the fire he burned on them, they would actually reinstate his visa and work permit. I guess what they say is true. Faith moves mountains and the righteous will always prevail. You cannot hold a good man down. We must all remember that the gay community is very relentless in promoting their agenda, and Sizzla is the polar opposite of that agenda. At the end of the day, Sizzla has the right to be straight and defend his own agenda. Once he don't come off as instigating hate against the gay community in the eyes of the embassy. So reinstating is only right and just. Sizzla must be mindful and not be surprised if they show up at his future performances with their banners in protest. It will be risky for promoters, but I am sure Sizzla got that visa and work permit reinstated with certain stipulations and conditions that would be reasonable to the gay community. Basically, you'll be skating on thin ice, and they will be listening attentively for every and any possible violation. I am not sure that this will be a comfortable situation for Sizzla because old habits are hard to break. But he will remember the importance of maintaining that visa financially and enhancing his career, so he will keep it professional. At the end of the day, Sizzla is more righteous than he is perceived to be hateful by the gay activists. He's a Rastafarian and his religion and culture don't endorse the gay lifestyle. That is his right as a human being, so that is where the clash comes in. On the other hand, while he has rights, if he plans to perform in the US and its neighboring or affiliate countries such as Canada, UK, etc., that strongly defends and promote gay agenda, he will have to abide by the terms and conditions that that visa and work permit requires. Sizzla has to be mindful that once he says something that is perceived as inciting violence against the gays, he will receive a major fight. So he will have to toe the line. I am not saying that he must bow for the visa. I am just saying that he must strike a balance, promote his own music and agenda while not violating theirs. Multi-platinum selling dancehall artist Sean Paul has dethroned Drake on Billboard with the collaboration single that he did with Psy called Cheap Thrill Remix. Sean Paul now occupies the #1 spot on Billboard Hot 100 single chart after the remix featuring the Australian singer Psy, Cheap Thrill, took over the top spot from Drake One Dance featuring Wizkid and Kyla. That led the chart for 10 weeks. Cheap Thrills is Sean Paul's 4th #1 song on Billboard's Hot 100 singles chart. His previous #1 singles are Temperature in 2006 and Get Busy and Baby Boy with Beyonce in 2003. Other notable Jamaican acts to top the Billboard Hot 100 singles chart is Omi with his song Cheerleader, which had a 6-week non-consecutive run in July of 2015. As dancehall fans, sometimes we seem to be very biased and limited, and while we have our favorite artists such as Vice Cartel, Popcorn, Alkaline, etc., we must also give credit and endorse others who are doing major things and even bigger things on the global space. Sean Paul is one of those artists, and we should give respect where it is due. He has been doing major things internationally for over a decade, and I want to take the time out to give him props in the highest order. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.